In this video, we'll see how to create a signature into your Microsoft Outlook account. Let us see that. Now, when I create a new email message, if I click on this new email, I do not get any signature. I have to manually type the signature. What I can do is I can do some settings at the back end. So whenever I create a new email message, that settings will be available and I'll get the signature here. Let us see that. So I'll just close this. I do not want this. If you want to create a signature at the back end, you have to go to this file, options, you have to click on this options, and since we want a signature in the email, I'll select this option as mail. In this place, if you see, I have the option as create or modify a signature for messages. So I'll just click on this signatures button here. Now if I click on this signatures button, this will be totally empty since it says select signatures to edit. I have no signatures to edit. What I can do is I can create a new signature, click on this new button. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be creating two types of signature, one is official and one is personal. So the first one which I'll create is nothing but official, and I'll click on OK. So in this place what I'll do is I'll type the signature here, I'll write as regards Tutorialspoint admin, and I can just write the website name www.tutorialspoint.com, okay, and simply it will become a hyperlink itself. And if I want, you can just do the formatting like changing the color, adding some bold, italic, underline, or you can select this option changing the color part also. So if you want, you can just select it and then you can give some color part and you can select some darker color like this, it is added here. And finally you can click on OK. But as I said, we will be creating two types of signature. One is official and second one is personal. This one is for official, okay, the name is given as official, but this signature should be used where? So you see, choose default signature to the email account, this email account. You should not use for other email account. Since this is for the official, that's my official email ID. Do you want, when there's a new message, do you want as the official signature or some other signature? So I'll say as when there's a new message, I want the signature as official signature. When I reply or forward to somebody, also then I want this as official signature. But now what I'll do is I'll create one more personal signature. So I'll just click on this new and it says, do you want to save the changes you have made to official? I'll say as yes, and now I'll give the name as personal. Enter, and now I'll type here warm regards, my name, contact number, anything you can give it, and you can just type as location India, anything, any data you can add it here. And finally, if you want, you can do some changes like bold, italic, underline. You can increase the font width. I can change it from 11 to let's say 14. And finally what I'll do is I want this email account, choose default signature. Email account should not be this official email account, but I want it for pawanlalwani@hotmail.com. It should also be applied for the new messages. I want this one as personal. For forward and replies, I want this as personal. Okay, I'll select this from personal itself. And finally I'll just click on OK button. Now let us see if I create a new email. So if I click on this new email, now if you observe here, when it is training.tutorialspoint@gmail.com, I'm getting this official email ID, okay, and I can just type here to CC, BCC and anything, all these options. But when I change this from to my personal email ID, if I click on this pawanlalwani@hotmail.com, I'll get this personal signature itself and it will be working fine. And finally you can add this data and send it to the particular account. So I'll just click on this close button, right, and I'll say I do not want to save this, click on this no button. So I hope you're able to understand how do we create a signature and how do you link one signature to your particular account. That's all for this video.